Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can duplicate project on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my phone and first of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application. And if we want to duplicate project in CapCut, this step is very simple. You just need to click on the three dots on the project you want to duplicate. For example, I'm going to duplicate this project, so I have to click on the three dots on the project and tap on duplicate. Okay, and now the project has been copied and I'm going to try it one more time. For instance, I'm going to duplicate this project. We can click on the three dots and then click on duplicate. Okay, now the project has been duplicated. Alright guys, and that's all the way to duplicate project in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.